Hey everyone! So the first thing I wanted to do this morning was jump on the mic, jump on the well, not the camera, because for some reason the camera doesn't work with OBS Studio with this laptop. But I wanted to jump on and record me going uh did I leave a Blackboard open? Oh no, that's a recording. Okay, we're good. Jump into here, and I want to show you some of the stuff we're doing. So just a couple of things about my weekend. Obviously, my weekend was crazy. We actually went out of town. My wife surprised me. We went on a little surprise trip, so it was great. But it has left me with 18 emails to answer. So I will have those emails answered by about lunch today. So I'll try to do those very quickly. So just hold off if you have any repeat questions that you may have sent me over the weekend. I'll be answering them before lunch. But then let me show you a couple things about what the classes are going to look a little bit different. In this next unit. So I want to take this opportunity to go through what those are going to look like in this next unit. They're just a little bit different, especially for computer science. And then also I wanted to highlight that the game design review is tomorrow. Okay, so everyone who was wondering about the game design review and the materials, we are doing it tomorrow. So Tuesday in class at 8:30 a.m. If you want to, which I hope this loads. If you want to see, if you want to go through the review with us, that's great. If you don't, you want to watch the recording, that's fine as well. And then I'll also send out the study materials, so you're not going to be without anything. One thing I want to show you is that we do have a lot of submissions right now. I've got 51 for computer science, 13, and 37 for game design, which is really good. This makes me really happy. So a lot of stuff to grade. I'll be grading today and tomorrow. So just hold off on those emails until Wednesday. Remember, this week is the IA week, so the IA exam is open. Most of you have not taken it, which is great. Computer science, you already have your review. I'm going to jump in computer science first. You already have your review available right now, and I'm not sure. Oh, I didn't put the IA announcement, but I'll put that in there right now in just a second. But you already have your review available. You have your resources available. I sent that out last week. So let me show you in Instructional Cycle 5 under the interim assessment number 5. Your link here at the top is the review we did in class. Most of it's just kind of doing fun little Quizlet stuff. Same thing we're going to do in game design. So you can use the Quizlet to review. Also remember to pay attention to your quiz questions as well as your the show what you know questions, those kinds of things. Those are always good study points. So computer science, I want you to look at IA6 a little bit. We're going to go over this again before time comes, but just to show you a little bit different. So we're going to be doing the last unit of the semester in code.org. Now code.org is a platform that you guys have not used yet. You'll have to sign up for an account on code.org and then put in our course section code here. So you'll click on this. This is not available to you yet. I'll go over it again with you. I just wanted to kind of let you know that it's going to look a little bit different. You're going to see a lot of information in the header. You're going to see some vocabulary words. You're going to see a lot of links down here for different activities and stuff. So look a little bit different, but it's going to be very experimental. I told you guys all year you're kind of my guinea pigs. So it's going to look a little bit different. Yay, here it is. All right, so I can show you guys while I'm talking. I can go in and copy this information and put it in my other classes as well. So here's the IA announcement. IA5 is ready to go in game design, but your review is tomorrow. So don't take it too early. All right, it's always on the best side, just to wait. Your Unit 6 is ready to go. You guys do not have available access to this yet, but it is ready to go. As you can see, there's only one unit, Unit 10, Marketing Your Game, which is a lot of cool. It's a very interesting unit. And then we're going to do Pong bonus unit, which is really fun. We're going to use a very easy piece of software called ClickTeam to rebuild Pong, kind of attach you to your roots of game design, and you'll do that you'll do the whole process of game design through creating your own version of Pong, which is pretty cool. AP Computer Science. I want to highlight something for you really quick. AP Computer Science, I'm going to put this IA announcement in there as well while we're talking, so I'll do that so you can guys see just, a little behind the scenes. This is what it looks like. That's HTML. That's not good. We need HTML. There's the HTML, and there it comes. And IA5 is here. Yay. Okay. Publish. All right, so here we go. So now I've got that done. But I want to show you something a little bit about your content, AP Computer Science. Your week, let's see, your Instructional Cycle 6 content looks the exact same as it has all year. Getting a phone call in here in my office. Let me mute this. But it looks the same as it has all year. No problems whatsoever. Except the only difference is there's not going to be almost any work due. So very, very little work due for the next unit. And which, so yeah, that phone's distracting me. Very little work due. We're going to be working on the portfolio for the entire semester, which is awesome. Okay, so we're going to be working on that portfolio. And then the last thing I want to show you, and then this is good for the my other course as well, computer science, that we'll be doing, code.org. This is what code.org looks like. It's going to look very similar when you log in. Here is your course section right here, regular computer science test group, GCA, AP, computer science. You guys have been in here all year. Let me show you where your interim assessment is, and I'll show you again in class today. But Unit 5, building apps, it is all or is the first two assessments, Unit 5 Assessment 1, Unit 5 Assessment 2. Just like always, the first two assessments of Chapter 1 are your interim assessment, okay? So there's about 40 questions or so on there. Last thing I want to say is just to my robotics club. We will be meeting this Friday at 3 o'clock, just like we have been. Most Fridays we'll be meeting up. But if you do not have your parts list to me by today, you don't get parts ordered, okay? So I'm going to confirm those in emails today, but we are ordering those parts today. So hopefully by the end of the week, I have all those orders made and they're on their way to my place so I can ship them out to you. So I will let you know as soon as I know. But thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate it. Good luck on your interim assessments. Sign up for those one-on-one sessions if you need me. Other than that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys very soon.